Welcome back to the channel, coin lovers and collectors. Today's video is all about one of the most iconic and emotionally significant coins in American history, the United States Kennedy half dollar. First issued in honor of President John F. Kennedy half dollar, his tragic assassination, this coin quickly became a symbol of national remembrance. While millions were produced, only a few stand out as extremely rare and highly valuable. In this video, we will explore the top 3 most valuable Kennedy half dollar coins, examining why certain mint marks and conditions have turned these coins into auction stars worth thousands of dollars. So let's get started. First up, the United States Kennedy half dollar dated 1776 to 1976 with a D mint mark, struck at the Denver Mint. This special bicentennial issue was created to celebrate 200 years of American independence, making it instantly recognizable and deeply symbolic. While millions of these coins were produced, collectors continue to search for specific examples, especially those in fine condition that show honest circulation where yet preserve strong historical character. Certain examples of this coin, particularly with errors, exceptional eye appeal, or strong strikes, have achieved surprisingly high prices at auctions, making it an exciting piece for both new and seasoned collectors. The Kennedy half dollar was first introduced in 1964, shortly after the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy, and it quickly became one of the most beloved U.S. coin designs. In 1975 and 1976, the United States Mint made a historic decision to issue special bicentennial designs on the quarter, half dollar, and dollar coins to honor the nation's 200th anniversary. Instead of a standard date, these coins display the dual date 1776 to 1976. The Denver Mint produced a large number of these half dollars, identified by the D Mint mark, and they were released into circulation for public use. Despite their availability, many were saved as souvenirs, while others entered circulation and developed the fine condition surfaces that collectors appreciate today. The obverse of the 1776 to 1976 D Kennedy half dollar features the familiar left-facing portrait of John F. Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts, with the word Liberty arching above and the dual date boldly displayed below. In fine condition, Kennedy's facial details remain visible, though lightly worn, giving the coin a balanced and authentic circulated appearance. The reverse design is what truly sets this coin apart, featuring Independence Hall in Philadelphia, created by Seth G. Huntington. This dramatic and patriotic image replaces the traditional presidential seal and symbolizes the birthplace of American freedom. The coin is composed of a copper-nickel-clad alloy, with a solid feel and distinctive edge that collectors recognize instantly. The 1776 to 1976 D Kennedy half dollar is not rare in general terms. Collector demand remains strong due to its historical importance and unique design. Coins in fine condition are especially appealing because they represent real circulation during a pivotal era in U.S. history. Demand increases significantly for coins that display sharp lettering, balanced wear, clean fields, and minimal damage. Additionally, rare minting errors such as off-center strikes, doubled dies, clipped planchets, or unusually strong strikes can dramatically elevate the coin's desirability. As time passes and high-quality examples are removed from circulation, collector competition continues to grow. In the current market, a standard 1776 to 1976 D Kennedy half dollar in fine condition typically sells for a modest premium over face value, often ranging from a few dollars depending on eye appeal. However, coins with exceptional surface quality, natural toning, or well-preserved details can command higher prices. At auctions, rare error varieties and unusually attractive fine-condition examples have sold for $407,000 when certified and verified by professional grading services. These standout sales prove that even commonly issued coins can become high-value collectibles under the right circumstances. The 1776 to 1976 D Kennedy half dollar should carefully examine coins for clear dates, strong mint marks, and evenly worn details. Avoid pieces with heavy scratches, corrosion, or signs of harsh cleaning, as these factors reduce value. Storing the coin in a protective holder or coin flip will help preserve its condition over time. Submitting exceptional examples to professional grading services can also increase market confidence and potential resale value. Studying auction records and staying informed about market trends will help collectors make smarter purchasing and selling decisions. The United States Kennedy half dollar dated 1776 to 1976 with the D Mint mark is far more than just a circulating coin. It is a lasting tribute to American independence and a symbol of national pride. In fine condition, it carries the marks of history while remaining attractive and collectible. While many examples are affordable, select pieces with unique characteristics or rare errors have proven their ability to achieve impressive auction prices. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced numismatist, this bicentennial Kennedy half-dollar remains a meaningful and potentially valuable addition to any collection. Next up, the 1776 to 1976 Kennedy half-dollar without a mint mark. Struck to celebrate the 200th anniversary of American independence, this bicentennial coin holds a special place in both national history and modern numismatics. While millions were produced for circulation, certain examples in different conditions, especially high-grade and error coins, have become highly desirable and valuable at auction. Today, we will take a deep dive into its story, features, rarity, and the impressive dollar values that the right specimen can command in today's collector market. The Kennedy half-dollar was first introduced in 1964, shortly after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, and it quickly became a symbol of remembrance and national pride. In 1975 and 1976, the U.S. Mint made a historic decision to redesign the reverse of the half-dollar to commemorate the bicentennial of the United States. Instead of the usual eagle, the reverse featured Independence Hall, a powerful symbol of American freedom. All bicentennial half-dollars bear the dual date, 1776 to 1976, and coins struck at the Philadelphia Mint were issued without a mint mark. These coins were produced in large quantities and released into circulation, ensuring that nearly every American would have a chance to own a piece of the nation's 200th birthday celebration. The obverse of the 1776 to 1976 Kennedy half-dollar continues the familiar portrait of John F. Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts, showing sharp facial details and the word liberty along the rim. The reverse, designed by Seth G. Huntington, is where this coin truly stands out, displaying Independence Hall with remarkable architectural detail. The coin is composed of a copper-nickel-clad structure, with a pure copper core sandwiched between outer layers of copper-nickel, giving it durability for circulation. The absence of a mint mark identifies it as a Philadelphia issue, and when found in well-preserved condition, the original luster and strike quality can be especially appealing to collectors. The 1776 to 1976 Kennedy half-dollar without a mint mark is not rare in circulated condition. Rarity emerges when condition, strike quality, and mint errors are considered. Coins graded in high mint state levels, particularly MS66 and above, are scarce due to the heavy circulation many of these coins experienced. Even more desirable are error varieties, such as double dies, off-center strikes, clip planchets, and missing clad layer errors. These rare anomalies significantly increase collector demand, as they represent unique minting mistakes that cannot be replicated. As interest in bicentennial coinage continues to grow, collectors actively seek premium examples to complete high-quality sets. In circulated condition, most 1776 to 1976 Kennedy half-dollars without a mint mark are valued close to face value, typically ranging from $1 to $3 depending on where. However, uncirculated examples in mint state condition can bring significantly higher prices. Coins graded MS63 to MS65 often sell for $506,000 at auction. Rare error coins and exceptional high-grade specimens have been known to sell for thousands of dollars, especially when certified by reputable grading services and offered in competitive auction environments. Collectors should carefully examine bicentennial Kennedy half-dollars for surface preservation, strike sharpness, and original mint luster, as these factors strongly influence value. Professional grading can make a substantial difference when selling or auctioning high-quality coins. It is also wise to research recent auction results to understand current market trends and avoid overpaying for common examples. Proper storage and protective holders will help preserve condition and maintain long-term value, especially for uncirculated and error coins. The 1776 to 1976 Kennedy half-dollar without a mint mark is far more than just a commemorative coin. It is a lasting symbol of American history and a fascinating collectible with real market potential. While many examples remain common, those found in exceptional condition or with rare minting errors can command impressive dollar values at auction. For collectors and history enthusiasts alike, this bicentennial half-dollar represents a unique opportunity to own a tangible piece of America's 200-year legacy. Next up, the United States mint the 1776 to 1976 Kennedy half-dollar with the D mint mark. Struck to honor America's bicentennial, this coin is far more than just pocket change. Even in good circulated condition, certain examples have captured strong collector interest, and at auction, select pieces have reached surprisingly high dollar values. Let's dive into the story, features, rarity, and real market value of this historic half-dollar. The 1776 to 1976 Kennedy half-dollar was issued to celebrate 200 years of American independence. Instead of changing the date annually, the U.S. Mint used a dual date, 1776 to 1976, making this the first circulating U.S. coin to carry a dual-year inscription. The Denver Mint produced millions of these coins, identified by the D Mint mark on the obverse. While most were made for circulation, the coin's patriotic purpose and limited one-time design give it lasting historical importance. This release also continued the legacy of President John F. Kennedy, whose portrait has appeared on the half-dollar since 1964. The obverse of the coin features the familiar left-facing portrait of John F. Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts, with the dual date boldly displayed beneath. The reverse is where this coin truly stands out. Instead of the traditional presidential seal, it shows Independence Hall in Philadelphia, designed by Seth G. Huntington. This powerful image directly ties the coin to America's founding. The D Mint mark is located on the obverse near Kennedy's neck. Most Denver issues were struck in copper-nickel-clad composition, yet strong strikes, clean details, and original surfaces make certain examples highly desirable. Although the 1776 to 1976 D Kennedy half-dollar was widely minted, true rarity emerges in condition, strike quality, and errors. Coins in good condition with minimal wear, strong luster, and sharp design details are increasingly difficult to find today due to decades of circulation. Collector demand rises sharply for pieces that show clean fields, minimal contact marks, or unusual minting errors such as doubled dies, off-center strikes, or planchet flaws. Bicentennial-themed coins remain extremely popular, and Kennedy half-dollars hold a special place among both U.S. and international collectors, driving demand year after year. In general circulation and good condition, a standard 1776 to 1976 D Kennedy half-dollar may sell for more than face value, especially when well-preserved. However, auction results tell a much more exciting story. High-grade examples certified by major grading services have sold for $710,000, and in exceptional mint state conditions such as MS-66 or MS-67, prices can climb into the thousands. Error coins and unusually sharp strikes from the Denver Mint have also achieved impressive auction results, proving that this bicentennial half-dollar can be a serious moneymaker when the right qualities come together. Collectors should carefully inspect the coin's surfaces for wear, luster, and strike sharpness, especially around Kennedy's hair and Independence Hall's architectural details. Keeping the coin properly stored in protective holders helps preserve its condition and long-term value. Submitting high-quality examples for professional grading can significantly increase auction appeal and selling price. It is also wise to track recent auction results, as the market for bicentennial coins continues to strengthen with growing historical interest. The United States 1776 to 1976 D Kennedy half-dollar is more than a tribute to American independence. It is a powerful blend of history, artistry, and collector value. While many examples still circulate today, coins in good condition with strong eye appeal and rarity factors can command impressive prices at auction. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or a new collector, this bicentennial Kennedy half-dollar deserves a closer look. You never know, the next valuable piece in your collection might already be in your hands. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more rare coin discoveries and market insights.